Using indentation can cut back the time that your students spend looking for a particular course item, and it adds a level of organization that makes it easy for students to track with wherever you're at in your course. In this lesson, we'll look at some examples of indentation and then show you how you can do them yourself. Here, I've created several subheadings, and under each of those subheadings, I've indented each of the activities that the students will do with that section. So for example, for 2.1, they know that these are the 3 things that will be expected of them to accomplish that subsection. In this next example, I followed a similar technique, but instead of just indenting once, I indented the essential question document once and each subsequent item 2 times. That again just adds that level of organization. As a student looks at Monday, they know that this is where our essential question is and each of the activities that I need to do. So how do you indent? Well, you need to look over here to the right side of a module to this snowball menu, and we're going to click, and you're going to see increase indent, or if it's already been indented, increase and decrease. And then just using those, you can toggle back and forth to whichever level of organization suits you best. So in this lesson, we've looked at how to use indentation to add the organization to your modules. Cheers.